Whoa, whoa.
Watch.
Careful.
Careful.
Careful. Amazing. So beautiful. So beautiful. Ice, bro. Wow. What the lamig. Dito nga pala ako sa Norway with Prince. Hey Prince. And isa tatlo kami, kasama pa ako. Si Vesna. Hello Vesna.
Hello.
Punta kami ngayon. Namamanid na mukha ako. Wait lang. Punta kami ngayon sa bundok-bundukan. Ayan, kasalukuyan kami nag-aalakad sa mga yala-yala. Tutur ko kayo dito sa 2 days nga pala kami dito sa Alta, Norway. Yes. Dito tayo sa Alta, Norway. Yeah. Papaalala ko nga pala sa inyo mga kasama ko. I will introduce you my co-workers. He is Prince. What is position are you?
Stage operator.
Stage operator. And this is Vesna.
Yeah.
What is position?
Second sound operator.
Yeah,
I am the queen.
I am the second light. Yeah, we are the second.
The all seconds are missing from the ship now.
Yeah. Move sa English ko.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Sobrang ganda guys. So very beautiful. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. You give me a life.
But for you it's
Yeah. It's my first time to see snow.
and you already jumped in the snow. This is the
Yeah.
our country.
Ay, ang ganda niyan, be. I'm making videos for my Facebook. You have a Facebook, guys? Do you have a Facebook account?
Yeah.
I will add you later.
You should connect.
Yeah. We can tag photos for everybody. Just follow the just follow the footsteps. Oh, that's a very beautiful. There. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
We can go to this side. Sobrang solid. Once in a lifetime experience. Thanks, G. Punta kami doon sa mga bahay-bahay. Doon sa bahay-bahay na yun. Oh! Siguro lamig din ang tubig na yun. Sa malakad lang. Hi!